Hello and welcome, and it is the 8th day of March 2018. My name is Derek. Everything, like always, your own risk, your own reward. I'm not going to spend too much time within this. There's not much to go over, rather. On the daily chart of Litecoin crossed with Bitcoin, I'm still very impressed with how it's been able to have such a great correctionary phase, mainly going sideways from December into February and then this leg higher. It's still, even though it's at the lower end of this point, supporting the resistance level from the start of this year. And it hasn't had any big moves up, any big moves down. When the market's ready to do so, it's obviously going to do such an occurrence. And within this works out relatively perfect, especially when we take a look at this on a shorter term time frame. So in the most recent period, last few candles, breaking through this 18 average on the daily, price action basically halfway between these two key levels, maybe a little above half, but whatever. Decent leg lower from here, decent leg lower would result from here to here. That's what I'm liking on the technical analysis aspect of such. So the question becomes, is this going to be that of resistance within this area? Because if it is, that's technical analysis doing what it's supposed to, and you will notice on a break of this support, well, that would be most likely a move down to about the 160-ish level, even 167 I got other areas around in the lower 160s as well. 3-hour time frame shows more of a bullish picture. So there's the uprise at the end of February, seeing price action go from pretty much where it is now as a bottom, all the way up, piercing extra above this 235.9 line. And since then, we can obviously see the 18 average has been in a continuous downtrend. The rate of descent was reducing as the start of March was coming into play. The band was flattening out after the first week of March, and as we've now entered the second week, the band has started to rise. Okay. We've seen just very recently within this that the last couple of periods have supported this level of resistance. And it's back down to the 18 average of highs. And is this a reversal of trend? Question mark? Maybe. And even as I've been stating, if it gets up to this point in here, even piercing extra, 200, most certainly, is a psychological number. If it goes above here and resists it and starts to fail amongst such, well, that 160 number that I talk about becomes a realistic price objective. And obviously, one step at a time within these lines on a bullish level, if that's what it's going to be. However, when I cross this over and take a look at Litecoin against the US dollar on the 3-hour time frame, well, here we have it. Nowhere near any type of bullish setup, and if anything, you're wondering if we're ready for another leg lower in here, as it leaves this 18 average of lows at 194 and resisting it down here. So this is just a case on Litecoin of Bitcoin having a worse day today. That's what it comes down to. Here's Bitcoin having a little bit of difficulties right now within this 9,500 level. And just quickly giving you a fast look of this. It's basically a double top formation. If this thing breaks down below, I'm going to be looking for support next around 8,000. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.